welcome back to my channel. I am Manisha, and in this video I am going to tell you how to find a perfect shade of foundation which completely matches your skin. So I hope this video is helpful for those who have just started their makeup lifestyle or who are beginners to the makeup world. So before I start guys, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe my channel guys. So yeah, let's get started. When you go to buy a foundation, do not try the foundation on any part of your hands, because the color of your hands and the color of your face is completely different. Take the foundations which are closest to your skin color and test it on your neck. Choose the foundation which completely matches to your skin color. Also, you can try this on your face too. This is how I bought my first foundation of my life. I hope this video will help you to find a perfect shade of foundation of your skin. And thank you for watching my video guys. Bye.